Ready to unlock the power of a luxury mindset and elevate your financial game? Discover the secrets to abundance, success, and prosperity. Stay tuned for golden tips and tricks that will transform your life. Cultivate an abundance mindset through daily affirmations. Set clear financial goals and create actionable plans to achieve them. Invest wisely and diversify your income streams. Surround yourself with positivity and success stories for inspiration. Practice gratitude for your current financial situation while aiming for growth. Enjoyed this video? Be sure to give it a thumbs up, save it for later, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and motivation on unlocking wealth and achieving financial success. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Together, we'll embark on a journey towards financial abundance and prosperity. Stay tuned for more exciting content.